Now a new history of our machine industry will begin. A new paradigm of machinery and equipment distribution and service. Korea Machinery Auction and Exchange. Since starting industrialization in the late 1960s, Korea's machine industry continued rapid growth to become a core foundation industry providing production equipment and components throughout all industrial fields. However, our machine industry is still less profitable compared to those of developed countries, reaching its limit in job creation as well. In order for Korea's machine industry to advance to the next level, a business restructuring is required, creating profits in high-value service areas such as machinery and equipment distribution, repairs, remanufacture, and compartment supply. In 2012, the Ministry of Trade, Industry, and Energy established the Machinery Industry Servitization Promotion Plan to reconstruct the machine industry into a high-value business like that of developed countries through promoting the service sector of the machine industry. To propel the national policy project, the Korea Association of Machinery Industry, Korea Machinery Financial Cooperative, Industrial Bank of Korea, and others co-founded the Korea Machinery Auction and Exchange. The Korea Machinery Auction and Exchange is set in Siwa MTV Industrial Complex, Gyeonggi-do Province, a great business environment where Korea's largest machine industries cluster and has easy access to metropolitan areas, airports, and ports, along with a machinery distribution complex. Creating mutual synergy, the Korea Machinery Auction and Exchange and the Machinery Distribution Complex will be the core infrastructure of services, including domestic and international machinery and equipment distribution, repairs, and compartment supply. The core business of the Korea Machinery Auction and Exchange include operating the nation's first machinery and equipment auction house, taking in charge of consignment sale of collateral machinery of financial institutions, companies' idle facilities and stock machinery, and idle or underutilized research equipment of national R&D facilities, swiftly and fairly using an advanced auction system. KOMAX operates machinery and equipment trade information network to support trade by providing direct dealing market and information on service companies, and by promoting information on domestic idle equipment domestically and overseas. KOMAX operates Repair Support Center to conduct detailed performance tests on auction items, as well as establishing a network with not only domestic but also overseas repair companies to conduct repair work on domestic machinery at a company's request. Also, KOMAX promotes transfer and export of domestic idle machinery through export support works, including market research of new countries, discovering buyers, expediting market development groups, and holding export conferences. KOMAX will put its best efforts into becoming the mecca of the machinery and equipment distribution and service through fair trade of machinery and equipment, export support, technological service, and connecting financial aid. Korea Machinery Auction and Exchange will grow with domestic machinery service companies by supporting their development, and will grow into Korea's representative international company of machinery and equipment distribution and service. As your successful partner, Korea Machinery Auction and Exchange will open limitless business opportunities.